Good Friday night, everyone, and thanks for logging on to your Aggie Land Carpet One forecast. I'm meteorologist Natalie Ferrari. We're finally done tracking that cold front. It pushed well out of the Brazos Valley and down towards the Houston area as well as the Gulf Coast, and it's bringing behind it breezy winds and much cooler temperatures. Here's a better look at PinPoint radar, how quite a bit of that rain, the brief showers that some of us did see, continues to move off to the south and to the southeast and even out just to the north and northeastern half of Houston. They're barely seeing a bit of those light scattered showers lingering behind. Now here's a better look at that cold front, again pushing well past the Houston area and dipping its way towards the south and to the southeast, leaving behind much cooler temperatures. This evening we are gradually dropping in those 60s. However, that was after daytime highs made it into the mid 80s for the majority of us. Look up to our northern and northeastern counties. This afternoon we did make it near 86 degrees, but again we have since cooled down quite a bit since then. These temperatures you're looking at right now are typically what we've woken up to the past several mornings. Instead, that's what we're ending our Friday with. That just gives you an idea on those winds coming in out of the north, and they're cooling us down again as we push past 10 o'clock, making our way towards 11 o'clock this evening, ranging anywhere from the mid 60s to upper 60s. A few of our southern and southeastern counties still sitting in the 70s. But give it some time. Those winds are beginning to pick up some speed, ranging anywhere from 15 to near 20 miles per hour to the north, and down to the south and to the southeast still just a little bit calmer. But again, over the next couple of hours, that breeze will be picking up, and the faster those winds come in out of the north means the cooler things will get. Looking at the bigger view of this system, we're actually seeing the tail end of that rain, but it's all associated with a strong cold front to the north and to the northeast, where they were dealing with a round of severe weather earlier today. We definitely lucked out in missing that. Here at home, barely struggled to see a few isolated showers. As we go through overnight and into your Saturday morning forecast, we'll likely wake up tomorrow morning near the lower to mid 50s, so much cooler than what we've dealt with the past couple of days. You will need that jacket. But by the afternoon, we are aiming for the upper 60s. Could be lucky if we actually make it near 70 degrees, but are also keeping a 20% shot of some scattered showers in the forecast for Saturday, increasing that to 40% for Sunday, waking up also in the cool mid 50s for your Sunday forecast. Now, as we progress through the next couple of hours, again, overnight, mostly cloudy skies, 53 degrees likely when you wake up on Saturday morning, a cool and breezy forecast all across the Brazos Valley, lower to mid 50s to start off your weekend. But we will warm things up, and if we're lucky, could also see a few peaks of sunshine by Saturday afternoon. Temperatures will inch pretty close to the upper 60s. Just get ready to call it mostly cloudy than not. For your Easter Sunday forecast, we'll likely climb our way back near the 70s, lower to mid 70s for a few folks. It will depend how much of that cloud cover we get and how much of the rain we get. That will determine just how warm temperatures will be able to climb on your Sunday forecast. But even after that, temperatures rebound quickly thanks to winds shifting out of the south. That will lead to a rather warm and muggy forecast next week. Almost rain chances every single day in that 7 days, so you'll definitely want to be keeping your umbrella around, not only over the weekend, but even through your upcoming work week. Thanks again for logging on.